Wait, vlog shot, vlog shot. What are you doing here? Why are you here? Why are you here?
Guys, I'm so happy we finally arrived here. This took me 5 months in order to arrange, but we came here. Look behind me. You see a pyramid? This is not Egypt. This is a museum. You see behind me there, planet Earth? This is not real planet Earth. This is a car. This is a car, a real car. And inside that museum, there are 3,000 cars. This is one of the most unique car museums that we've ever seen. It has some of the biggest cars in the world, some of the smallest, some of the weirdest, and it also has a plane. This, all of it, is in the middle of the desert in Abu Dhabi, the United Arab Emirates. Okay, so the founder of this museum took a very small car, this car, the Dodge that we all know, and then he bought the actual Dodge, which we all know, and then he did something crazy. He built it 10 times bigger to a real Dodge that can drive on the road, and inside that Dodge there's like 5 bedrooms, 1 living room, and a kitchen inside the car. What? Did you see this? What? It's a bedroom inside a car. Whoa.
What the hell, eh? Let me get this right. So you are tourists at a car museum.
Right.
Why are you here?
Because we have holidays and we're big fans of cars, so we thought of coming here. Oh my god, I got this!
What do you think of the cars? What do you think of the cars here?
Crazy. This is crazy. Like, this is so crazy. I mean, there's cars that was there like before I was born. So like, and yeah. Okay, you're not gonna put.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
It's a scary tree! Ah! Everything is scary in the desert because there's a plane!
So the owner of this plane and the owner of the 3,000 cars is actually one of the founding members of the country. So, of course, he can get access to all the planes, he can get access to all the cars and put them in a museum for everybody to come and visit and just get to appreciate cars a little bit more and maybe appreciate planes a lot more.
Are you okay, Elaine?
I feel dehydrated.
He's very tired.
What are you gonna do about that, Nasir?
I'm gonna take an Instagram.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice, and with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet, tell them stories that you care about, and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours. NAS Academy has a lot of courses that are live. They're not pre-recorded, so there's real people from the NAS Daily team that teach you how to make videos like we do. Give you your voice that you so desperately need in today's world. If you're a business, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a family person, you need a voice on the internet. And NAS Academy helps you get that voice. Click on the link below if you want to see the courses that we offer. We have very limited spots, so grab yours today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.